Welcome to F&I Product Optimization Playbook from JMJ Insights. In the next 4 minutes, I'm going to break down how to maximize VSC, PPM, and gap production across both the deal desk and the service drive. If your penetration numbers could be better, this is for you. Let's get into it. Here's the reality. Front-end gross is compressed, and it's not recovering at scale. Transparent pricing tools, online shopping have permanently changed what dealers make on the metal. But what hasn't changed is the margin potential in F&I. Top quartile, F&I managers produce over $1,800 per vehicle on VSC, PPM, and gap alone. That's more than most front-end deals net. The problem is the average stores are leaving 20 to 30 penetration points on the floor every single month. VSC is the anchor product. Highest gross, highest fixed ops impact. Here's a 4-step framework top F&I managers use consistently. Step 1. Anchor the customer to the cost of a single major repair before you ever mention the product. Step 2. Present coverage in plain language. What systems are covered, what real-world repairs look like. Step 3. Always quote monthly, not total. $33 a month lands very differently than $2,400. Step 4. Preempt the objection before it arrives. The manager is hitting 55% pen. Never wait for let me think about it. They address it first. PPM is the most underestimated product in the stack. Dealers who dismiss it as a low gross add-on are missing the long game. Look at these numbers. Customers with a prepaid maintenance plan return to the service drive at 65 to 75% versus 38 to 45 without. Every return visit opens the door for an MPI upsell. 3-year customer lifetime value lifts from $600 to $1,400 per customer. The critical metric no one watches, redemption rate. If customers aren't redeeming the plans you're selling, the entire retention purpose of the product is failing. Target 80% or better. Gap is misunderstood in most dealerships. It gets crammed into the end of the menu as an afterthought. The managers who close it consistently don't sell the product. They sell the scenario. Walk the customer through it. Your vehicle depreciates 20% in the first year. If it's totaled in month 8, insurance pays market value, not what you owe. On a $42,000 vehicle, the gap could be $6,000 to $9,000 you owe after the check clears. Gap will cover that difference. Know your must-sell triggers. No money down, 84-month terms, rolled in negative equity, and present gap on every one of them. The service drive is the most underutilized F&I channel in most stores. Every day, customers with expiring warranties, declined repairs, and lapsed maintenance plans are driving into the lane. Most stores do nothing with that. Here are the 4 opportunities. Pull your VSC expiration list monthly and call before the warranty runs out. When a customer declines on a major repair, bridge to VSC immediately. Flag expiring PPM plans at check-in for renewal outreach and build an advisor incentive, $25 to $50 per converted lead. Without that, the referral behavior won't stick. The menu design is either working for you or against you. The rule is simple. Always lead with the complete package. VSC, PPM, gap, plus ancillaries. Anchor the customer to the premium option first. Everything below it looks more reasonable by comparison. 3 tiers, complete, core, and basic. Never lead with basic. Always present the monthly payment impact, not the total cost. And the non-negotiable, every customer gets the full menu every time. Selective menu presentation is just a missed revenue opportunity, and it's also a fair lending exposure. Chargebacks are the silent margin killer. 3 categories here. 30 to 60-day cancellations from customer remorse. 72-hour product confirmation call after delivery cuts these by 30 to 40%. Claim denials that lead to cancellations, almost always caused by misrepresenting coverage at the point of sale. And the lender rewrites the whole contract. The compliance piece isn't just financial. The CFPB and state AGs are actively reviewing F&I practices. Document every menu presentation. Never misrepresent coverage. Compliance is a daily management responsibility, not a legal department problem. Here are the numbers you need to know. For VSC, bottom quartile, 30%. Top quartile, 55 to 65 or better. PPM, average stores, 30 to 40. Elite are at the 45 to 55 plus. Gap, top guys are hitting 50 to 60 on eligible deals. Total PVR across all 3 products. The bottom guys are at 900, the top 1800 to 2400 or more. Chargeback rate should be 3% at best. And service drive conversion, most stores are at 0 because there's no program. Elite stores convert 15 to 20. Pull these numbers weekly, post them, and own them. The top quartile F&I production is not a talent story. It's a process story. The manager who wins this isn't the most charismatic one. It's the one with the tightest menu, cleanest chargeback rate, and the best service drive program. Build the system, train the team, measure what matters. Full playbook, all 8 chapters with the benchmarks, frameworks, and the 90-day action plan is at jmjinsights.gumroad.com. Link is in the description. I'll see you in the next one.